three letters are typed without repetition, what is the probability that all three will be vowels? To determine the probability that all three will be vowels, we'll have to determine the total number of ways three letters can be typed with vowels without replacement, and then divide by the total number of ways three letters can be typed without repetition. Let's first find the total number of ways three letters can be typed without repetition. Because there are 26 letters in the alphabet, there are 26 ways to select the first letter, and once the first letter is used, it cannot be used again because repetition is not allowed, and therefore there are 25 ways to select the second letter. And now two letters have been used that cannot be used again, which means there are 24 ways to select the third letter. And we know from the counting principle, if we multiply these together, we can determine the total number of ways three letters can be typed without repetition, which is equal to 15,600. So there are 15,600 ways to type three letters without repetition. We could have also found this by using a permutation. Remember, a permutation is an arrangement where order matters and there's no repetition. And since there are 26 letters and we're taking three letters at a time, we could have evaluated the permutation 26 permute 3. And let's just show this is equal to 15,600 on the calculator. We enter 26, math, write it over to probability, select 2 for permutation, and then 3, enter, which gives us the same value. And now we need to find the total number of ways of typing three letters with vowels without replacement. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And since there are 5 vowels, there are 5 ways to select the first vowel. And because repetition is not allowed, there are 4 ways to select the second vowel and 3 ways to select the third vowel. If we multiply these, we can determine the total number of ways three letters can be typed with vowels without replacement. 5 times 4 times 3 is equal to 60. So there are 60 ways to type three letters with vowels without replacement. We could have also found this using a permutation, again because we have an arrangement where order matters and no repetition. Since there are 5 vowels taken 3 at a time, we would have 5 permute 3. And again, let's show 5 permute 3 is 60, which we see here. And now we have the information we need to determine the probability all three will be vowels when three letters are typed without repetition. Since there are 60 ways to type three letters with vowels without repetition, and there are a total of 15,600 ways to type three letters without repetition, the probability that all three letters will be vowels is 60 divided by 15,600. And now let's convert this to a decimal and a percent. To 5 decimal places, we have approximately 0.00385, which is equal to 0.385%. I hope you found this helpful.